Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're just gonna be playing some Bee Simulator. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please hit that bell, smash the heck out of that like button, and yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you where all the secret locations are. So, sorry about the bad keyboard, it's a little loud. Okay, so down here, you can find a glue near the pineapple. And if you go over here, you will, come here, there should be a royal jelly right here, and you can also claim if you come in here, you can claim a free royal jelly. And yeah. There's also another one right usually oopsie. Well, there's always one right up there. That's it's not really too secret, that one. And there's, if you do the parkour, I can't really do this much because of my speed. There's usually one right up here. There's one over here, and I just want to test something here. Okay, anyway, sorry, we need, oops, and wrong button. You go over here, you go to, I don't exactly know how most of you can do it. I don't know how it was pretty hard for me to figure out how to do this, but a success. There's one right up here. I mean, if you unlock most of the cannons, you can fly and land right here. And if you go right over in here, as long as you go up to here, I think I saved, no I did not. I don't know why I didn't have not done a bucket quest. I really don't. There's usually one right at this window, actually. I'm pretty sure there's one right at this window. And there's one right here as well. If you go over here, it's not on top. If you go right here, there is a royal jelly. And if you've unlocked the 30 bees, me personally, I have not. If you go down and you go up this bridge right there, and you go down, there's going to be a black bear, but there's a diamond egg down there. And you can get that. And there's also if you run in here, and you get, if you have a haste bee, or you can get, wait, I just want to prove something that's possible first. There is, me personally, I don't remember if I have a haste bee, but if you see those like running thingies, if you got 3 of those, you can outrun the spider and run in there, and there's a gold egg. I don't know if you guys are interested in that. And right up here, me personally don't have the big good jumper, so I can't get the star jelly right now. And there's also another star jelly in there. There's 2 royal jellies in there. And you can always just buy them, but I wouldn't do that. What? I've already done that. Oh, okay. Not half. There's also, oh yeah. Sorry, this might be a little waste of time. You want to just, well, it gives you royal jelly up here. I don't know why they don't do that anymore, where it kind of like shows a little. I think this one does show. I'm not too sure. Please don't bring me out. Okay. There's one right here as well. Is it because my graphics are too high or something? I don't know. And this has a very weird amount of honey in him. Okay then. You know what? For the next video, I'm going to start my intro right here. I think there's also honey right. Don't go hate on me. I think there's a honey right here, or not honey. Royal jelly. And I know for 100% fact. I'm pretty sure. I'm not gonna say 100% fact. No. I think there's one up here. Now, if I can. There's also I'm too lazy to go and get that. I've said to myself, okay, there is, I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, there is, are you kidding me? Really? Not? You can also, there's one right there. You can't zoom in. That would be a lot more easier for me right now. Here, I'll do it with my. That's awkward. This is a very awkward moment right now. And there's one right here. No, it's the tree or it's right there. I'm pretty sure it's that. Who knows? There's also a royal jelly. You can also get royal jellies from killing spiders and all that kind of stuff. I already showed you. There's a royal jelly, I think, in the bottom floor and at the top. Who knows? I don't remember. And there's a royal jelly. If you go up to here, I'm pretty sure. Actually, I don't know if there's a royal jelly. I don't remember if I collected royal jelly here. I don't know, but you can check in here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, for now, 2019, that's all the royal jelly places. I know that I'm probably sorry for like being a lot it's not gonna be one of those best videos that you'll watch. There's a lot of like good YouTubers out there that have some good high tone voice, and this is also a new computer that I just got today. I used to have a crappy one, but most of you probably don't care about that. I don't know why I said that. And yeah, that's all the royal jelly, most of them that I know of. And I'm pretty sure, and if I'm gonna do tickets places, no, I don't know about the tickets actually, because I do not know all the ticket prices. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my next video. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day.